Hello guys, what's going on? In this video I will be showing a sample application in which after clicking the button we will jump to next activity. It takes some time to build the application successfully. Yeah, the application has been built successfully here. First go to here activity.xml file and in the text view here, first of all I will change constraint layout to relative layout here and then add a orientation. Delete this text view here. Instead add a button component. Give it height and width. Also assign an ID to it. And then define the text attribute for the button. Jump to another activity. Okay. And next add a text view component also. Define the text attribute. This is the first activity. Okay. And I will be working here with two activities, so I will have to create one. Go to file, new, and here activity section, and then go to here empty activity. I will name this one activity as second activity. And again go to here activity second.xml. Again I will change here constraint layout to relative layout. Add an orientation. Add a text view component here. Next define the text attribute here. Activity set activity second last. It's working. And now it's time to write some code on main activity.java file. First of all, I will define a member for the button here. And in order to resolve this warning, I will hit here Alt Enter. And now get the variable button here, applying findViewById here. data id button here, and apply a set on click listener method to button. And here we have to get an intent variable, new intent, main activity dot this, and the second activity that will be launched here is second activity dot class, add semicolon to the end, and now hit alt enter. Okay, and now the intent variable has been created, and now only I have to write the code for start activity. Intent, and now it's just time to test this sample project on emulator. The application takes some time to build. Yeah, build has been successfully, and now let's see. Yeah, activity second launch is working fine. Again hit back and once again testing it. The application working fine here. Thanks for watching this tutorial, guys. Have a nice day and happy coding.